welcome YouTube. This is Joe with Home Express YouTube channel, and today I do have a big surprise for you all. I would like to welcome you to meet the new member of the Home Express family, and I will show you in a minute. And once I show you, then I'm gonna have to go back, and as you can tell, I am not in Big Joe, I'm in another truck, so you already get the the hint what it's gonna be. Thank you for tuning to the channel. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Hope you like this video. I'm gonna show you some POV, ride along with me all the way back home. This truck is giving me some trouble already. I only have 5 miles from when I picked it up, and this is it. Yeah, that's the truck right there, and I will give you a tour, inside the truck once I get home, if I get home today, because I doubt that. So this is it. It's got a big bunk, 10 feet, long, and it's got a fifth wheel, smaller fifth wheel, and a bumper pull. To hook a bumper pull ball, which is cool. I got another trailers that I can pull with it. Toolbox, big one by the way, and this will be the APU. As the inside of the cab is very, very rough. I just resurrected this monster. It's a beast of a truck. It's big. I just resurrected it from the dead. It doesn't have a headliner, but I will take care of that. So let's get on the way. Well, so far I made it to Ocala, Florida, about like 100 miles from the place that I picked this truck up. There it is. The lights on the side of the sleeper, they don't work at the moment. They're disconnected, but all the lights that are required by the DOT to work, they are working. So on the blinkers and everything, all the roof lights, look at that. Yeah, this side either, but I'm gonna get those to work same as I did with Big Joe in time. So look, we got lights in the back and blinkers, so we are good to go. Let's continue this journey, and I'll show you a little bit of night driving. All right. Hi, good morning. An update is the next morning. Been driving all night. Still have 75 miles to go. It's been raining all night, and now look, the wipers blades decided they don't want to work anymore. They got tired. So it's been raining, but luckily it's not too much rain, just a little bit. Truck's having a few issues. It doesn't want to go over 60 miles an hour, sometimes 50. Yeah, I gotta get home and check the fuel pump. Maybe 30 from being sitting for so many years. So let's see what we can do about it when we get to it. Now I gotta get home and get the truck and offload that truck. Luckily it's not too far, it's only 20 miles from home. Been driving all night and I have a busy day ahead of me, so good thing is there is not too much traffic, at least not until now. I was checking Google Maps, and close to the Atlanta area. There is big traffic jams, accidents, and whatnot. But we gotta do what we gotta do. Yes, it's a big difference from Big Joe and this rig. Look at that big hood in front of me. And it rides very good. Everything working in no time. Well, I'm getting home. Finally, I thought that I'll never make it. It was a very, very long trip, so we are here. Now I gotta go to the other truck, to Big Joe, and replace the tire of the trailer and go and offload the truck. And only after that I'm gonna be able to take a break and sleep a little bit because I'm very tired.